Hey there! Guys. Welcome back for another Specking Adventure. We are at Thunderhill West, but today we are doing the reverse configuration. So we are actually heading out this way and then coming back in this way. Yeah. So we already finished our first session and it's very, very wet out there. Dude. Just crazy. Look at this shit. Thunderhill River. If I don't spin out today, it'll be a miracle. The Dorito, like I would not touch that shit. No. I saw a lot of people go on it, but brave, very brave.
I hit it once, the car just steered off to the outside of the track.
I was understeering in a lot of places, like this turn right here.
Yes, this one is really understeering.
Yeah, like very understeery, like there's no traction there.
We actually had a parade session. So everybody just hopped on to that parade session and just followed, like a ability follow.
I think that was really helpful.
It was helpful.
Yeah, like we kind of got to see, like, plan out like how to drive the course prior to driving, and then we also got to kind of see where the enter and exit is. You don't see that every day. Props to whoever's tracking that.
I was sick, dude. Happened, thank God.
Back from the first session and we have a problem. My defrost is on right now, but you can see it's not really defrosting, and my foot is not on the gas. I turned on the car. Oh, it dropped again. It dropped back down to normal. It's like something is sticking. I think something's sticking. It's hanging. I gave it some gas and then it's hanging again. Well, aside from the locking up issue, the car runs fine with the AC off. So I think that's what I'm going to be doing for the rest of the sessions. The sun is coming out.
get a PB of 130. Finally recorded, so yeah. So now
With a passenger.
With a passenger.
So probably without a passenger, it could be in the low 20s. Not low, high 20s.
I think I was just at one point overdriving a little bit and carry a lot of speed.
The goal today is to get into the
30s. It's achievable.
So 2 seconds. It
It's
should be
achievable, yeah.
Yeah.
I noticed that like it's really fun if you can rotate your car over there. Rotate the car and have the car straight and just like get on the gas.
Yes, that's kind of what I'm doing.
Yeah,
That's a little bit what I'm doing, but then it's getting like a little, like the rear kind of. Oh, but I do feel the wing kind of kicking in though. Like it's like stabilizes all of it. Like I feel like without that, I feel like the rear would have like came out a little bit, and I would have had to maybe like do some throttle modulation.
I would say if it's not creating downforce, at least you don't have lift.
Yeah, exactly.
It counteracts.
Yeah, I feel it. I feel the difference there.
It's
So. It's the end of the track day. It's about like 4 p.m. right now. We are all packed up and ready to go. But I got what I wanted. I got 139. Tommy got a
130.6.
130.6. Yeah, so I think you mentioned that it's supposed to be like a few seconds slower than the normal configuration. So
which makes sense.
That sounds about right.
It's actually a really good day after lunch.
And you know, if you think about it, you get a 2-for-1 because you can practice some car control in the morning and then you can do your normal PV in the afternoon.
Yeah, it's a fun track.
Some people, I know some people said that it's like, they think it doesn't flow that well. I think it flowed pretty decently. It's fine, especially that like back half of that entire section. I think it flows really well actually. Other than that, we had a really good day. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for more Specking Adventure. Bye.